King Fabin Off-Road, guys. This morning, it's a little bit early, Saturday. I am headed to the shop. Today I'm going to be tearing down an LB7 Duramax. If you notice, I've transitioned my channel a little bit into some more diesel oriented stuff. I did that for a reason, because that's what I do every day. It's a lot easier to make content on what I do, and right now my focus is a little more on work, and so I'm just showing you both sides. So hopefully you guys like that. Any of you guys that have ever messed with these probably know that, well, this is with any motor, but on this one we're going to be completely rebuilding it, putting all new everything in it, so it doesn't matter near as much. But I'm going to lay out all the lifters in order to their cylinders, just so they go back in the same bores. And then on Duramaxes, you have to actually take the lower oil pan off before you can take the covers off, because there's dowels and stuff. So I kind of got to do this in a weird way. I'll take some of this front stuff off. As you can see, I already have the heads off this thing. This is actually just a core motor that's going to end up being used. So I got some of the work already done. We're going to jam through this. I'll put you on some time lapses and just kind of show you my process of stripping down at least the short block here. So. Alright, I got all the outside stuff pulled off, water pump, oil cooler, the pump pulled out and all that. The lower oil pan's actually already off of this, so I'm going to start taking out these 6mm Allens, get them out, and then once this guy's off here, we can get these out. So that's what we're doing next. Alright, here it is, guys. Duramax motor all stripped down. This is not my proudest motor tear down. I obviously did it on the floor. You know, we do have a stand. I don't know if you can see, but we got a lot of projects going on, and this was kind of a last minute thing. We've got another Duramax on that stand over there. Anyways, this is everything from short block down. I mean, heads down, this is what it took. I've got about an hour and a half in this probably. Like I said, not cleanest, but this is just a simple outlook of what it takes to strip it all down. So I'm going to get this thing hooked up to the chains, put over in our parts washer, and call it a day. Got the motor all set in there, guys. Got one more night of work, and it should be good to go. Oh, look at these bad boys. Gators. Natural habitat.